Here at Litco Automation, we first opened our doors in 1988. Very quickly, we established ourselves as a leader in the Rexroth Indramat motion control sector. Ours isn't the easiest of jobs. It requires a lot of technical know-how and a wealth of experience. But through it all, we stay committed to the welfare of our clients, our collaborators, and the environment. To view all our products and learn more about us, please visit litcoautomation.com. What is it that sets Litco Automation apart from its competitors? Well, we specialize exclusively in Rexroth Indramat sales, service, support, and repairs. And everything we do is done in-house. We don't outsource any of our services. That means we can make sure quality is guaranteed every time. You'll find more information about all we offer at litcoautomation.com. Over 30 years of experience, field support available, 5,000 in-stock Indramat products, 2-year warranties, free technical support. Choosing Litco Automation is the right decision. We're the Rexroth Indramat motion control experts. So tell us how we can help today. We can't wait to get started. In the meantime, discover our full capabilities at litcoautomation.com.